the mistakes or what are the different habits that drain your wallet? The first thing is not paying your credit card dues on time. Many times we delays simply without any reason, and we are end up paying penalty, interest. If you see the calculate the interest and penalty, it will be like 36% to 48%. So pay your credit card debt on time. Buying clothes frequently. Maybe you have seen your cupboard after COVID-19. You were not using that dresses. You may be wondered how many dresses I have in my cupboard. So you are frequently buying which are not necessary sometimes, and you are wasting your money. Making impulse purchases whenever you are going to mall or like any shopping mall, you are just buying the things by seeing the discount offer or in online shoppings and all, and that will be not useful. And once you buy, you are not using that one also, and you are throwing that items maybe after like what do you say, expire. So unnecessarily you are wasting your money there. Here one rule you can apply, 7-day rule. If you are thinking that okay, this is a thing I wanted to buy and you wanted to pay a huge amount of money, then you wait for 7 days. Even after 7 days, if you think that it is prompting you that you have to buy that one, then you can go. Otherwise, if it is not necessary, it is not useful, automatically that will vanish from your mind. So use that rule, 7-day rule. Keeping a big balance in your savings account. Maybe 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh rupees you have, but you are just keeping there. That is not going to give you any amount of or any multiplication of your income. Because nowadays in savings account you are getting hardly 2.7% or 3% interest. If you calculate the inflation rate, it is a negative return. You have every year 6 to 7% of inflation, but you are getting 2.7 or 3%, there is minus 4% negative return. If it is an emergency fund, that is okay. If it is not an emergency fund, then you can see that it is not useful. Eating out daily. Maybe you see, everyone wanted to enjoy their life. Everyone wanted to go out, but not every day, right? Even outside food is not good for your health also. If you go one pub, bar and restaurant and any one costly hotel and all, you can see that for one dinner, you may be spending 2,000, 3,000 rupees. And you calculate every day if you are going and eating outside, then what will be the total amount you are spending only on your food? Other things are there that you have to take care. If you are doing that one, please stop. Maybe once in a week or twice in a week or 4 times in a month, it is okay. Everyone wanted to enjoy, wanted to spend their money for their fun. Late payment of fees. Maybe income tax, maybe our late payment of fees. Maybe income tax, housing tax, or many other bills, the insurance premium. You're just postponing the things and you are just paying more money than actually you have to pay. Trying to keep up with your social standards. Many people, maybe I can say 90% of people doing these mistakes and spending their lot of money which they are not really required. Maybe buying a house just to show that I have a house. They're buying that house on like maybe even 80%, 90% spending on EMI, which is not a good decision. And maybe buying a car or maybe buying some electrical gadgets, some costly items, some costly dresses, just to show up that I have money. Paying of the things you don't use. As I said, many a times we bring the items to the house and we are just throwing out, maybe after 1 year, 2 years, or after some time. And you think that that is not useful for you. Upgrading electronic gadgets frequently. You are spending your money every 6 months or every 3 months, every 1 year. You are just changing your electronic gadgets just to show off others. So that way these 9 habits will drain your wallet. Why it is a habit? It will take time to do these things. If you are repeatedly doing again and again, it will become a habit. What if you do the same thing on your savings? Can you imagine? What if you are doing a monthly SIP, systematic investment plan? If that becomes a habit, that will grow your money. That will multiply your money. So learn the things, how to multiply good things. Spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money. So what if you make these habits And what will be the cost of these money mistakes? If you see the example, for example, if you save only 10,000 rupees per month and you made loss costing 3 lakh rupees, what is the impact? For example, if you save 10,000 rupees per month and your total savings in a year is 1.2 lakh. If you wanted to make 3 lakh rupees, if you wanted to save that 3 lakh rupees, you have to work 2.5 years. And if you see your working span, you just imagine that you are working 25 years. That is your active earning stage. And in that 25 years, 2.5 years, you lost only to recover that 3 lakh rupees means your 10% of your active earning career is lost by that one simple mistake. What if you know the route, you know the way how to avoid these money mistakes and you save that money? How happy you are, right? So I hope you will not do these mistakes again and again. And you will earn a good amount of money, you will save that money, you will invest that money, you will multiply that money. Then definitely I can tell you achieve your financial freedom. Thank you. In my next video, we will see